Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic which is evolution of psychology. Fourth is evolution of psychology. First, structuralism. It was developed by Wilhelm Wundt. It focuses on analyzing the structure of mind by using introspection technique. Introspection is a procedure in which a person themselves describe in detail about themselves. Second is functionalism. It was developed by William James. It focuses on first, studying the human mind. Second, studying what the mind does. And third, studying how people behave to deal with their environment. Third school of psychology is Gestalt psychology, which was developed by Kohler, Kafka, and Weddermore. This school was established as the reaction to structuralism. This focus on the organization of perceptual experiences. That means on what basis and how does a human being organize or forms one's own perceptual experiences of perception. Instead of focusing or studying the mind or the inside of a human being, the Gestalt psychologist focuses on the outside world of the human being. That is, on the basis of the outside world, how does a human being forms their perceptual experiences, and the human being does not focus only on one thing but on the whole stimulus or on the whole object. For example, when you see a video or a movie, it is actually the movement of the still pictures which is so fast that we see or perceive it as a movie or one video. But instead, it is a collection of number of still images or photos. Fourth school is behaviorism, which was developed by John Watson. John Watson was influenced by the work of Ivan Pavlov on classical conditioning, and as a reaction to structuralism, behaviorism was formed. According to John Watson, psychology is a scientific study which focuses on anything that is observable and verifiable and not just the mind, which is not seen or observed by others. Fifth is psychoanalysis, which is founded or formed by Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud is considered a very famous personality in psychology. According to Freud, psychoanalysis are a collection of those techniques which help in treating psychological disorder. Sigmund Freud's theory is basically called psychodynamic, which is based on dynamic functions of unconscious desires and conflicts within a human being. Sixth school of psychology is humanism. It is considered a positive view of human nature. The main founders of humanism are Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. It focuses first on human needs, which are achieved step by step as the one or previous needs of the individual fulfills, which is because of the second, that is free will of the human being. This free will of the human being motivates them or encourages them to reach their inner potential or higher potential. Sixth school of psychology is cognition. This cognitive perspective is formed with the combination of Gestalt and structuralism. It focuses on how the individual understands the world around them, and secondly, it includes cognition, which is all the mental processes like thinking, understanding, perceiving, memorizing, solving a problem, etc. Last and eighth school of psychology is constructivism, which is developed or extended from the cognitive perspective. According to constructivism, human being is continuously involved in exploring their physical and social environment. The famous personality of constructivism are Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky. They have worked on child development. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.